Dear sir, thank you for choosing our company's electric heating steam generator. The product is a modular structure with a prime-mounted structure, with the front part being the electrical control part, and the back part being the electric heating cylinder and water pump control part. The electrical control unit has a wiring busbar at the upper end, which connects the circuit breaker to the AC contactor. The AC contactor is connected to the heating tube through high-temperature mica wire. The boiler feed water pump is an independent control circuit, which is connected to an AC contactor by the upper circuit breaker to control the start and stop of the boiler feed water pump. Before formal use or during daily maintenance of the equipment, it is necessary to tighten the screws and nuts of the electrical components. Loose connections may cause damage to the circuit or electrical components. After the equipment arrives at the usage site and is in place, the system can be directly started by connecting the power supply to the busbar. This is the boiler water supply port, which is connected to the water source pipeline on site. The boiler water supply is automatically added through liquid level detection. Therefore, the boiler water supply system should be atmospheric pressure water supply and cannot be connected to a pressurized water supply pipeline system, otherwise steam carrying water may occur. This is a liquid level detection device, which can clearly see the system liquid level of the equipment through a glass mirror. 3 liquid level probes, high, medium, and low, are arranged inside for liquid level detection, thus achieving the automatic water replenishment function of the system. The control panel design is very simple. This is a steam pressure gauge used to detect the system pressure of the boiler. This is a system electrical temperature detection used to detect the environmental temperature of the electrical part, and this is a heating tube working current spot check detection table, used to spot check the current status of the heating tube during operation. This is the electrical system cooling fan, which starts simultaneously when the equipment is powered on. Boiler controller. Click confirm to enter the operation system. Here, we can check the system pressure, water level, water pump status, and system operation mode. The operation of the boiler is divided into 2 modes, manual and automatic. We can switch the operation mode through the manual button. In the manual mode, we can manually control the start of the heating tube and water pump, which is usually used during equipment debugging. When in normal use, it should be set to standby mode, which is automatic mode. In automatic mode, the start and stop of the boiler heating tube are controlled by the system pressure, and the start and stop of the water pump are controlled by the liquid level controller, without the need for manual operation. Incorrect manual operation may cause equipment damage. Alarm record is used to view some faults that occur in the boiler during a certain period of time. When the boiler malfunctions, the fault information will be recorded here. When there is a fault alarm prompt in the boiler, after troubleshooting, press the reset button twice, and the system will stop the alarm and return to normal working state. Here, we can set the pressure range for the boiler to stop and start heating, as well as the conversion pressure and pressure difference. When the parameter settings are completed, click the start button to light up the heating tube icon, and the boiler starts heating. The pressure value seen here should be consistent or close to the pressure value on the panel pressure gauge. This is a pressure controller, which will control the heating tube to stop heating when the system pressure exceeds the set value. This is a pressure transmitter that constantly detects slight changes in system pressure and controls the start and stop of the heating tube based on the pressure. This is a safety valve. When the boiler pressure is too high, it will automatically open to discharge overpressure steam. Balance the system pressure and keep the system pressure within a safe working range. This is a drain valve used for boiler system discharge. This is the auxiliary sewage intake valve, when the system needs to discharge pollutants. Opening this valve will make the system discharge more smoothly, and the flushing and discharge inside the cylinder will be more thorough. The above is the operation of the electric heating steam generator. The maintenance and wiring of the equipment require professional electrical personnel to avoid electric shock accidents. We hope that our company's products can bring you a new user experience.